Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back, welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. I just got back from Puerto Rico and I got a bunch of boxes waiting for me. So I thought it'd be fun to do a quick video unboxing some of my goodies. My neighbor popped them in this bag for me, so it was an easy pickup at her house, which is awesome. I have 4 things to unbox here. I just came back from my trip. Grab some scissors. I'm unpacking and I just thought it would be fun to do this together. See what I got. Actually, I know exactly what's here, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of do this together. So yeah, let's do this. Let me see. This one is from, oh, this one's from Coach. This is actually, so as you know, I had purchased the Faye Bag and I did the unboxing with my friend Dee Dee Bean. I did bring that bag with me to Puerto Rico, and it's okay. It's not my favorite. It's a little bit too small, believe it or not, for the size of it. It's a little bit small. If you're trying to do tote style, it came nicely packaged. So I got 2 things. Oh, this came out. I ended up ordering this turtle. I love turtles, and I just thought this Coach turtle called my name. So I did order this. And it is so cute. It's got like little rhinestoney eyes. I just think this would be so cute with the bag. Specifically, I should go get it. Yeah, but I really like this. It's very heavy duty. Normally I wouldn't like spend that on a bag charm, but I was feeling like happy. And then, oh wait. I also ordered a bag, but okay, it didn't come. This was just this charm, okay? Interesting. All right, maybe it came in 2 separate bags? Yes, it could be this. Let's see what this is. I ordered them together, but they shipped them 2 separate things. So it came on an envelope, and I ordered this to match my Faye tote bag. Let me just open this up. I just think that this, I was just looking at that bag, and I just felt like I wanted the matching little pouch for that. So it's that same wicker. Yeah, it came with all the paperwork. It's got like little, this is actually perfect for that. That's awesome. This is not removable, but this is perfect. So like when I'm in Puerto Rico, I actually do have another bag. I'll put a picture of it up, what I end up doing for my bags down there. It's actually another Coach bag I bought. But I thought this would be cute to go with that tote. I should show it. Let me go get it. Hold on, let me go get it. I just finished unpacking all my stuff, so I brought this in my bag. I packed this in my suitcase. So yeah, this will be a cute little matching set for this summer. Like I said, I didn't love it that much. Like you can't really fit that much, but maybe because I was like in vacation mode, so I'm gonna try it, you know, regular mode. Rocking this. It's kind of hard to close if you have like a big pouch in here, so I think this will be nice. I had like a big thicker pouch in there. So yeah, this is gonna still be my bag for a little while. I do love it, but I should take it back. I didn't love it, but I do like it. I like it a lot. This size just kept throwing me off. It was really about the size. But yeah, I do like it, and yeah, I'm glad I have it, and now I'm glad I have the little matching pouch, and I'm excited to add this bag charm to it, because I just think this is so cute, and I do have a thing for turtles, and I just think this is so cute, so I love it. So I'm glad to have them. Yay, so that is something I ordered before I left on vacation. Oh, and the charm came with a little turtle. I mean with a little dust bag. So cute. Okay, cool. All right, what else did I get? Let's open these. These are more fun. This is my Chanel order. I ordered this before I left. I got a mascara sample. I've been loving this mascara. I ordered the Balm Duo Stick, and I picked up Gentle Glow, which I hope is the right one. I wanted the middle shade. I think this is it. Ooh. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, nice. Let's check out the balm side. All right. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. That's like the balmy. I only ordered one because I don't know. I was like, am I going to be reaching for this? I haven't been too into like dewy cheek sticks. So, oh, these things are so annoying. I appreciated that it came wrapped gentle. What else did I order? Oh, I got the mascara in Midnight Blue. Oh, how fun. Oh, that's right. Okay, I ordered the mascara. Do I want to open it right now? Oh, yeah, I'm going to open it. Whatever. This is the volumizing mascara in the blue. Oh, that is? Oh, man. That's amazing. Okay, I can't wait to try this because you know I love the anthracite. And the anthracite's limited edition, and I'm about to open my last one of that. So maybe I'll hold off and use this and compare the shades. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Fun. Oh, and I ordered one lip gloss. I ordered one because I was like, I don't really need these. And I have, what shades did I order? I ordered the shade that looked the most pigmented. This is 448 Opulence. I think this was like something red, saturated red or something. I don't remember how it was described. Oh, pretty. Pretty. Let's see. If I'm gonna order a gloss, it's gotta have some pigmentation to it. It smells like roses, like rose perfume. Very, yeah. But not like overwhelming. Like I have to really think about it to smell it. It is scented though. And you can taste the scent a little bit. Well, that's pretty. It's very slippy, pretty. Okay. I'm glad I have it, but I definitely don't need more. I think this is plenty. I'm glad I tried it. So this is the new lip gloss. What else I get? Oh, and then I got a sample of a serum sample, the Le Beige serum sample. Nice. Okay, so that was my little Chanel haul, and I'm now curious because I was expecting a Gucci eyeshadow palette, and that didn't come, and that's what's supposed to be here already. So I'm wondering about that. I gotta check into that. So I thought I had ordered it when the day it dropped, and then apparently my order didn't go through. I didn't push submit on the order. So I tried it again, it went through, and it didn't come. So I don't know what happened to that. This was from the Surratt sale. I went a little crazy in the Surratt sale. Okay, so I keep all of my Surratt products in this palette, which I love. And this is how I collect them, whatever. So what I did was I looked at a bunch of the palettes that looked interesting to me. And then I compared what I already had. And then I just like, because what you can do is just basically make your own palettes with that. So I got all these products from Surratt. And then I figured I could like create my own palettes based on what they have online. So I thought that would be fun to do. So like, for example, this is a blush. Look at how their blushes come. Oh, how pretty. So this was like in a palette, and then I think I only needed like the blush and like another color, and I already had another color. So I gotta go through and like figure out, and then I gotta put the magnets on here and stick them in here. And then I'm gonna make my own palettes. How should we do these? Let me wipe this off, and then we'll do some swatch parties of my stuff from Surratt. All right, so this is a blush. The shade Roger. They're so tiny. Like the packaging really is terrible for Surratt. I'm not gonna pretend like it's anything but terrible. Oh, look at that pretty blush. Isn't that pretty? And I'm pretty sure you could use this as an eyeshadow too. This is the eyeshadow in Celestial. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Ooh, pretty. And several of the palettes that I liked had the Celestial shade in it. So I was like excited to finally get that shade. And I think I tried to get it before and it was sold out. So everything was 50% off. This is the shade Pantsuit in the blush. And they just come in these, I don't know. This is a blush shade in Pantsuit. Oh my god, that's so pretty. How pretty are these? This is the shade Brune Noir. Look how pretty. In this, oh, these are so smooth. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Alright. Sorry, I have the laundry going. I'm doing laundry. I just got back. Unpacking. I'm doing all the things. I just wanted to open this with you. Alright. This is the shade Camus. So like I said, is I went through, there it's right there. It's like barely showable. It's kind of my skin tone color, but more white. So is I went and looked at all their palettes that I did, like, and the shades I didn't have, and I basically just got all the singles, and I'm gonna make my own little palettes. And everything was 50% off, so it was worth it to me. This is the shade Corsage. Oh, it's like a pinky shade. That's so pretty. So I think what I'll do is either maybe make this part of that video or make another video, and we'll like look at all this and show you the, like my own little palettes I made. That sounds like the most fun because that's all I got. I just bought those. Isn't that fun? And then like I said, I literally went through and I looked at what I already had in my collection. I was nervous I was gonna buy duplicates because some of these don't have names on them, but I didn't, which is awesome. So yay. So I'm gonna add these to these, and we're gonna do a video with that, and I'll make some Surratt eye looks. That sounds fun. So I guess Gucci didn't show. We'll have to try that one a different day. I gotta look that up. So, all right, friends. Well, thanks for watching my little haul video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I know I did. I'm gonna finish unpacking, get ready, and maybe look to make a video actually doing something with my face. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.